My name's Josh Ramseyer. I'm a physician specializing in sleep medicine. It's funny because I never really wanted to be a doctor. It was definitely not preordained, and there was no family legacy either. I went to college not really knowing what I was going to do. I wanted to do something that was going to be practical, apply my interest in science and biology, but be able to have some impact on individual lives, something that I could see and feel, and that was appealing to me. So my approach is really pretty simple. I start out just trying to treat patients with respect, regardless of their background or life experience. I try to be as kind as I can, and then I listen very carefully. And it's important to listen, it's important to ask a lot of questions. And that's important because you have to define the problem. You really have to hone in on what's important and what needs to be evaluated and treated. And then once I understand that better, then it's just a matter of me using my own clinical experience and skills at trying to guide them through and manage the problem. I think some of the more interesting cases have been those where a patient has been through a lot already, seen a whole host of doctors with odd symptoms, and then they come to me and I can very clearly understand shortly after talking to them that they have something like narcolepsy, which a lot of doctors don't understand very well and have a lot of misunderstandings about. And patients with narcolepsy can be completely dysfunctional with a lot of odd symptoms, and then to be able to take them into my office and readily make a diagnosis and treat their problem is really, those have been some of the most exciting cases for me. Honestly, when I'm not working, I'm not really allowed to have any hobbies simply because I have 7-year-old twins at home. So I really try to carve out as much time as I can to spend with my family. But I do like to go with my wife to new restaurants. I like to exercise and I run. And I'm a big Roger Federer fan, so I'm always obsessing about professional tennis and how Roger's doing.